With wild dogs back on the hunt, the antelope panic and flee. The pack has blocked all escape routes, leaving the impala only one choice. Facing almost certain death, one young impala makes a desperate decision. To avoid the dogs, the impala must head to the opposite bank and race against Africa's deadliest aquatic predator, closing in fast. One bite from one of the most powerful jaws in the animal kingdom is all it takes. The pack doesn't dare contest this meal. They won't set foot in the water.